this is the biggest elephant I've made. The cookie elephant. I'll take a look, guys. Take a look from here. Wait a minute, guys. Now, let me put it over here. Take a look at this, guys. This is so big that it's pushing me over. Let me go and show you an example. This is too big, guys. It's also very, very, to carry. So if we teleport there, I'm gonna show you. Yep. Okay, guys, this is the biggest elephant. Let me show you a clip. So, guys, this is how much big it is. Oh my god. This is so big, guys. So, let's put it over here and get tail here. See, guys, its foot is around that tower. It's thicker than that tower is. Oh my god. So guys, that was the video. Hope you like it. Subscribe and see more.